If you guys watched my last video about how I lost my DJI Spark in the water, I came to the conclusion after reviewing the logs that it was my fault. I don't remember making that particular mistake. I remember that controller beeping. Well, I remember that controller saying go home and then beeping and beeping and beeping and me waiting and waiting and waiting and nothing happened. But you know what? I'm going to chalk this up to a newbie rookie mistake. I'll take my lumps this time, but I have to make sure I don't do it again. How am I going to make sure I'm not going to do it again? Well, there's no guarantee 100% in anything. But there is one modification that I've made to stop me from making stupid mistakes in the future, and I'm going to show you that now. This, I think, is the cheapest and most effective way not to kill your drone from user error. Yep, it's all in the controller, baby. Nip this problem in the bud. Controller. This is what you're going to need. A label maker. Take your label maker or your favorite label paper and Sharpie marker. I labeled my remote to remind me not to be a complete moron. Keywords: battery, SD card, interference, compass, exposure, home point, record, and hover 10 seconds. Why I labeled this in this manner? First point here, battery, is just make sure the batteries are charged and you're not flying the Spark with a low battery. SD card, yes, make sure there's an SD card in the Spark. This is going into the Wi-Fi menu of the DJI Go application, just checking that there's no additional Wi-Fi interference that we don't need on our flight. Set the compass. Always set the compass before you fly. Exposure, so this is basically just about getting a good shot. Make sure, not auto is not always the exposure that you want depending on your lighting situation. Set the home points always before taking off. Make sure that you've hit the record button. Hover 10 seconds. This is good because it allows the drone some time to do the precision landing, and also it helps slow you down. They're also in sequential order. I don't know if you guys noticed that, but have yet another surprise for you. I've also labeled the inside of the antennas. Airplane mode. Take your phone, put your phone into airplane mode so that there's no Wi-Fi signal interference coming from your own phone, and also just so that it prevents you from getting a phone call in the middle of your flight, which could screw up the flight and cause other problems. And don't be a hero. I should just rename this "Don't Be an Idiot," but I just put "Don't be a hero," implying don't be an idiot. Also, because I don't fly my drone often, I'm going to be flying this very far apart, so I might fly it 1 month and I might not fly it for another month, even longer. I might fly it 1 month and I might not fly it for 2 or 3 months later, because this is mainly used for travel. So whenever I'm traveling, this will probably come with me, but it's not going to get flown on a regular basis. Even more important for me to have this, because I definitely won't remember what I do each time, but if I have a reminder here, that should help. Anyways, let me know what you guys think and talk to you guys later.